Hey folks, I had to give a little update on our coppicing video from cottonwood scraps from our neighbor's property. I got the first fence made, so I'll show you this and then I'll go back up and show you how we're kind of doing it. So this is just made as a border in our yard, arbor trees behind it. This just hold the mulch in, you know, keep the compost in, and just make a cool little border. So I drove stakes down in there about a foot, and then I just wove, and then I ended the top with blackberry vines. So I know it's pretty crooked and higgly-piggly, but that's okay. It's the first one, and it took a shocking amount of material to make the first fence. It's about 18 inches high, I think. So I'll take you back up to the top and I'll show you what the pile looked. Basically, that one fence took 3/4 of the pile, which we thought was huge, and the pile suddenly doesn't look so big once you start weaving. So basically what I do is, Henry's been helping me a ton with this, by the way. This is all that's left of the cottonwood brush pile that we've been pulling from. Basically you take a pole, bring it over to the chopping block, and you start cutting the limbs, the extra limbs off it. So I like using this little hewing hatchet, just wings them right off. And then you got to decide kind of where to stack it, whether it's on the thick side for posts, medium side, or the skinniest side. And then you have your material ready for weaving. So we're going to probably finish up this pile and then help with a neighbor's one and make some wreaths, and that'll be enough. All the leaves and little twigs we've been composting by putting them behind our other plants on our border. Like, that's all trees are on the front, so I just have them tucked in there to rot, just turn into compost. And then down here it's just leaves turning into compost. So that's where we're at. Cheers.